Well, what do you know? Is it a coincidence or what? Del Griffith.
Neil Page.
Nice to know you. Well, I'm with American Light and Fixtures. Shower curtain ring division. I sell curtain rings. Here, the best in the world.
Look, I don't want to be rude, but I've got a lot of work.
Oh, no. Don't let me stand in your way. The last thing I want to be remembered as is a blabbermouth. You know, nothing grinds my gear worse than some chowderhead who won't keep his trap shut. Shh. I figure that over the next several years, millions of sailors are going to use those showers. And that's why I think we should do something like that.
Yeah, we left New York and in flight they closed Chicago. Yes, we landed in Wichita. Okay, yes, I'll be home as soon as possible.
Neil! A little trouble on the home front?
I don't think that's any of your concern.
Hey, you know what my motto is? Like your work. Love your wife.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I'll keep that in mind. So, what's the flight situation?
Oh, simple. There's no way on earth we're taking off from here tonight.
Wait, you're saying I'll be stuck in Wichita?
Oh, no.
Okay.
I'm saying you are stuck in Wichita.
Oh, crap.
Did you book a room?
No, and I'm sure all the rooms are booked by now.
When I got off the plane, I called the Interstate Inn. Hey, you know, if you don't mind a little snoring, you can bunk with me. Here, let's go. It's been said that if you really want to get to know a person, travel together.
And although due to the pandemic, the only travel you can do is from your couch to your fridge, there are still opportunities to meet new people and become friends.
And that's why we're so grateful for activities like speech and debate, where even during a global pandemic, we can foster new friendships.
However, for our protagonist, it isn't that easy. After having his Thanksgiving Eve flight from New York to Chicago rerouted and canceled, Neil Page finds himself stuck in Kansas with eccentric salesman Del Griffith.
On their journey home, they have their ups and their downs, but ultimately realize that not only does traveling together teach you about each other, it bonds you together like a family.
Which is what Thanksgiving and speech and debate are all about.
Planes
Trains
and Automobiles by John Hughes. I'm bushed.
Good night.
Sleep tight.
What are you doing?
I'm clearing my pipes. You like loud snoring?
You know what? Don't bother. You know, I was on my way home to spend a nice holiday with my family, and instead I'm in a hotel bed with a stranger.
You're not a very tolerant person.
Look, you've been under my skin.
Hostile and intolerant? That's borderline criminal.
You know what? Screw you.
You know, I was having a nice trip until you walked into my life.
Okay, I walked into your life. Okay, who was that who talked my ear off on the plane?
And who told you to book a room? Huh? Out of the goodness of my old heart, you're an ungrateful jerk.
Look, you're no saint. You get somebody who will listen to your boring stories. Well, you know what? No more. I'm leaving.
You want to hurt me? Go ahead. Think what you want about me. I'm not changing. Because I like me. My wife liked me. Because I'm the real article.
Look, I'm I'm sorry. You know, I think I've been spending way too much time away from home.
I haven't been home in years.
Look, I have a family waiting for me. You know, I'll get home.
Not on an airplane.
Okay, yeah, well, how else are we gonna get home?
You know, I have friends in town. We could take their car.
Could you not do that with the seat? Come on, are you trying to break it?
I'm not trying to break it.
You know, I can't believe it's Thanksgiving and I'm not home with my family.
Me neither.
Hey, I haven't seen you call your wife.
Just because you didn't see me doesn't mean I didn't call her.
You broke the seat?
I can't be held responsible for faulty engineering.
Oh.
You know, when I'm all dead and buried, all I'll count for is 1,000,000 shower curtain rings.
Hey, no, at the absolute minimum, you have a woman you love to grow old with.
Love isn't a big enough word, buddy.
Well, you know, dinner hits the table right after the football game. It's 11:15 right now.
Well, let's pray for double overtime. We'll be in Chicago in 3 hours.
Yeah. Let's get to that train station.
What? So, where are you headed? I'll pop for the tokens.
Oh, Wilmette.
Okay, I'll be right back.
You know, I can't say I had a great time, but I can say that you did get me home.
Next time, we'll go for a little bit more comfort and style.
Hey, I hope there isn't a next time.
This is you. You're a good man, you. I'm so sorry for all the trouble I caused you.
Hey, no, don't worry about it. Have a nice holiday.
Yeah, you too. Give my best to everyone you love.
Whew. What a trip.
Is it a coincidence or what? Del Griffith.
Wait a minute. Hey, I haven't seen you call your wife yet.
I liked me. My wife liked me. Because I'm the real article. Marie, honey, you were right as rain. I am the biggest pain in the butt that ever came down the pike. You know, I meet a guy whose company I really enjoy and I go overboard. I cause him more trouble than he has a right to. If I could just see you for 1 minute, you'd set me right. Hi?
Del, what are you doing here? You ought to be home.
I know, I'm fine. Go on home.
No, don't give me that crap, Del.
I'm fine. Go on. Home.
Del.
I'm
Del.
going home. I'm fine.
Del,
Go
Del,
on
Del,
home,
why
I'm
don't
fine.
you go home?
I don't have a home. Marie's been dead for 8 years. With 8 years on the road, I've never met a nicer guy than you.
Same here. Honey, I'm home. Did I miss the turkey? Oh, Honey, this is Dell Griffith. Dell, this is my wife, Susan Page.
I want to thank you for letting me be part of your holiday. You know, I've always had a lot to be thankful for, but never as much as right now.
Same here, pal.